Welcome back to the FTx Commerce training sessions. Today we're going to go over your location settings within the admin site. Under Settings, Locations and Fulfillment, we're going to select our store location. From here, the location details is predefined pulled from the Control Center side. The only option on this tab is to activate or deactivate the site. On the left side of this menu bar under Services is where you can toggle on each appropriate service that this location may offer, such as drive-thru or on-premise pharmacy. These icons will be displayed on the store location on the website so consumers can quickly see what each store location services may be available. Skipping ahead, we're going to go to Schedule, which is pulled from the Schedule tab in the location on Control Center. Next would be the Payment Gateway, where we can set up a specified payment for this particular location. And lastly is Location Settings. Under Location Settings, you can enable to tax your buy-downs and allow returns to utilize the global settings or specify for this location a return window different from your global settings. For more information on the store pickup and delivery, you can refer to our other training videos. And that concludes the settings for the store location.